how does Allah help you? How does Allah teach you to study the Quran? Because, okay, we understand that it's easy and simple, and it is the criteria. But how does Allah teach you? And I did this actually on my channel. And I can send this to you, a link to you, because it's
Sure.
on our website. I did a chart, which you won't be able to read. But basically, I did a chart explaining how Allah teaches us to study the Quran and understand it.
Yeah, we can put the link in our post.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
people can see it.
Yeah, and so Allah is explaining to you how you should understand the Quran. He's giving you the mindset that you have to have before you open this book and start to recite. He
Right.
tells you about the sort of thinking you have to have. He tells you about what you have to do when you read a verse. What do you have to do about that verse to understand it? Right. And these are all in the Quran. Allah is telling you, He's explaining to you, and this is the blessing. Allah is saying in this book, this is how you should study me. This book is saying, study me.
Right.
And but if we are not given those, if we're not explained that Allah is explaining in the Quran itself how we should study the Quran, how is one to know? And this is one of the issues we've had for many generations now, that people are not aware that Allah has given the techniques for study in the Quran itself. And I'm very happy to share that, of course.
Sure, we will. Inshallah, we're going to post that in our video.
أفلا يتدبرون القرآن